Did you know a desk can reshape your day by boosting posture and clearing clutter at once? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring the top 5 adjustable height desk with drawers, solving real workspace chaos and boosting comfort. Stay tuned for practical picks and grab your favorites through the links in the description. At number 5 is SEDETA Farmhouse. You might never guess how transformative a workstation can feel until you sit at the SEDETA Farmhouse adjustable height desk with drawers, a multifunctional corner setup that brings order to chaos, especially when you're browsing the top 5 adjustable height desk with drawers and tired of cluttered surfaces and limited storage. This L-shaped standing desk adjusts smoothly between about 28-inch and 47-inch, letting you alternate between sitting and standing to ease fatigue and improve posture throughout long work or gaming sessions. It includes multiple drawers and a storage cabinet to keep files, stationery, and essentials neatly arranged, so you're not constantly searching for pens or sticky notes mid-task. Built-in power outlets and USB ports keep your devices charged without messy extension cords, while the farmhouse aesthetic blends rustic charm with practical durability. Compared with simpler adjustable desks that lack storage, SEDETA's design feels intuitive and complete, though assembly takes a bit more time. Once built, this desk brings that sigh of relief when every tool has its place and your workspace finally feels right. At number 4 is FLEXISPOT Comhar. You might not expect a height-adjustable desk to handle storage and ergonomic shifts with equal poise, yet the FLEXISPOT Comhar adjustable height desk with drawer shows exactly how thoughtful design solves real workspace headaches when you're checking out the top 5 adjustable height desk with drawers options. This electric desk slides easily from about 28.3-inch to 47.6-inch with a quiet motor and lets you save up to 4 height presets, so you can quickly find a comfortable sit or stand position without disrupting your workflow. The integrated pull-out drawer keeps stationery, cables, and small accessories tucked out of sight but within reach, turning cluttered desks into tidy stations. A nice contrast to simpler adjustable desks that leave everything exposed. Built-in USB-A and USB-C ports add convenience for phones or tablets, though charging may pause briefly during height changes. Assembly is quick with clear instructions, and most users find the sturdy frame supports monitors and gear well, though at the upper range of height adjustment, you might notice slight movement under heavier loads. In everyday use, this desk brings both practical storage and ergonomic flexibility to your workspace. On number 3 is OffiGo 63-inch. You might not realize how quickly a desk can shift your daily energy, yet the OffiGo 63-inch L-shaped electric standing desk makes that shift tangible as soon as you start exploring the top 5 adjustable height desk with drawers and imagine a tidier, more flexible workspace. This corner desk blends electric height adjustment, about 30.7-inch to 47.6-inch, with 4 fabric drawers that corral office supplies and gear, so your desktop finally feels organized instead of chaotic. The L-shaped design fits snugly into room corners to save space and create a dedicated workstation, while integrated power outlets with USB-A and Type-C ports keep devices charged without messy adapters. You can even configure the reversible layout to suit your room, a thoughtful touch many simple adjustable desks lack. On the flip side, fabric drawers aren't as rigid as solid wood, and assembly takes patience with multiple labeled parts. Still, for anyone juggling work, study, and standing comfort, this desk brings real relief and order to your setup in a way that feels purposeful and practical. At number 2 is HUANUO C-clamp mount. You might not believe how much monitor placement affects your comfort until a desk that supports a HUANUO C-clamp mount transforms your view and workflow, especially if you're exploring the top 5 adjustable height desk with drawers and want to free up precious desktop real estate. The HUANUO compatible desks are designed with an extended rear platform edge so you can clamp your monitor arm right onto the back of the desk surface, lifting your screens closer to eye level and improving posture without sinking into slouching. Most adjustable desks give you height range and storage, but when you add a C-clamp monitor mount, you unlock even more space. Your keyboard, mouse, and accessories stay on the spacious desktop drawers while your screens float ergonomically above. On the flip side, you must check that your monitor has VESA mounting holes and that your desk surface meets thickness requirements for the clamp to fit properly. Compared to simpler adjustable desks that leave monitors grounded, adding a clamp arm makes your station feel more intentional and liberated. Now moving to the last one is SEDETA L Shaped. You might not realize how much a workspace can feel like a weight on your shoulders until the SEDETA L Shaped adjustable height desk with drawers reshapes it into a functional sanctuary that speaks directly to the frustrations most people face when hunting for the top 5 adjustable height desk with drawers. This electric corner desk lifts smoothly between about 29-inch and 47-inch, so hours of sitting no longer leave your posture screaming for relief in every task. Work, study, or gaming, feels more fluid. The ample storage, including a file drawer, extra drawers, and open shelves, keeps paperwork, tools, and gadgets neatly tucked away instead of scattered across your surface, helping battle the clutter that kills focus. Compared with simpler sit-stand desks that lack storage, this model blends posture support and organization into one trustworthy setup, though assembly and its larger footprint require patience and space. In use, it brings that satisfying sense of order we all crave when our desk finally feels like a partner instead of a problem. Comhar is the winner today because it balances adjustability and storage in a way that truly solves everyday workspace struggles many of you face while exploring the top 5 adjustable height desk with drawers. It lifts smoothly between sitting and standing, includes a built-in drawer for tidy storage, and even adds USB ports for convenient charging, all without a complicated setup. If you want more honest, helpful breakdowns like this, explore my channel for deeper reviews and practical workspace upgrades. See you in the next video! So guys, this was the video about the top 5 adjustable height desk with drawers. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you!